Rain off tonight. Well, I'll be looking at that in just a moment. The rain really has been the big story so far today. There's been excessive amounts of rain in western areas. St Bees Head collecting nearly 2 inches of rain in just 6 hours, 48 millimetres. That's all due to low pressure. It really has been dominating the scene. But we will see some changes. That low will move away fairly steadily, and it does look as though during tomorrow we'll see this little ridge of high pressure toppling in, which will help things settle down quite nicely. There'll be some sunshine to enjoy, not too bad for Cardiff tomorrow afternoon. The winds a feature. We'll lose the southerly gales, but as the low pushes away eastwards, northwesterly gales are going to set in, especially for eastern parts of Scotland and England, and that really will make it feel particularly chilly on the east coast tomorrow. That'll be quite a dramatic change. Today, though, we've still got a lot of rain to keep an eye on, particularly across England, Wales and up into southeast Scotland. Still an increased risk of local flooding too, because that rain is, as well as being heavy, it is persistent, and it's been piling its way in from the southwest through this morning. Even the showers in the west are merging now to give some longer spells of rain across western Scotland and Northern Ireland. So it's not a great day then, rather more heavy showers coming into the west, more general rain piling its way in across eastern areas and accompanied by southerly gales. And temperatures on the low side as well, only around 6 to 9 degrees in parts of the north today. But if you're off to any events this evening, of course, for a bonfire night, well, the rain will hang on in some areas, I have to say, and there'll be quite a chilly wind developing as well. Quite boggy, quite muddy underfoot, I should think. But there will be some dry areas, parts of the province seeing some dry weather this evening, also parts of the Midlands and into the south. But elsewhere there will be some rain around, in fact some heavier rain across the Irish Sea through northern England. That'll push its way eastwards during the night. As you can see though, by the end of the night, calming down for many areas, just a few showers around, but it will be chilly in the north. We can expect a fairly widespread ground frost. For tomorrow then, well, we've still got that cold wind blowing, particularly for eastern areas, as we saw earlier. That'll keep things rather cloudy, actually, for a good few hours in the morning in eastern Scotland and eastern England. Still some rain around, but that should tend to push away. And then I think during the day, we'll see that little ridge of high pressure toppling in, which will mean that things will settle down. There'll be some good sunny spells, but it will feel cold in that wind. I have to say, temperatures only around 10 or 11 for many of us. For Cardiff, though, for the Millennium Stadium, it's looking pretty good, if on the cold side. For Sunday, a cold start to the day in the south with a frost and some fog patches, but a change again in the northwest, more cloud and rain streaming its way in during the second half of the day.